Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can record audio in Audacity with your microphone. It's quite easy. Very first thing you need to do is to connect your microphone onto your computer. Once you connect the microphone, you just need to open Audacity. Then once the Audacity is open, here in the audio setup we need to choose the microphone. So for that, click on recording device, and here you will see all of the microphones which are connected to your computer. So the one which I'm gonna use is this one right here. So you also need to choose the microphone which you wanna record your audio with. So this is the one in my case. I can just click on that. Once you choose the microphone, it's time to record the audio. So for that, just click on this red icon and you will see that the recording is started. In order to pause the recording, you just need to click on this icon and your recording will get paused. To unpause it again, just click on the icon. Your recording will get unpaused. Now to save this recording, you just need to click on this icon. In order to stop the recording, in order to get the preview of this recording, for that you just need to click on the section from where you want to get the preview and just click on this play button. In order to pause the recording, you just need to click on, and yeah, that's it. This is pretty much of it. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.